Hello everyone, I am Mahmudul Hasan and you are watching Tech and Learning. Today I will unbox and review of a VR box. It's a black color VR box and it's a VR Shinecon, which is a very beautiful VR box. The box has broken during transport. So let's unboxing the VR box. It's before unboxing, please subscribe my channel. Unboxing the VR box. It's a very nice boxing with a black cover, and here's the VR box, so nice looking. Here's the beer box, and here is user manual, and here's some sticker, and here's the microfiber cloth, very nice cloth. And now I am show the review of the VR box. It's a plastic bag. And here's the beer box. Here's the gamepad, and it's beer Shinecon, a very nice and heavy plastic material beer box it is. And here is a roller dice. You can scroll this for zooming and zoom out. You can make big and bigger screen by this. Has the lenses with a plastic protection, lenses, adjustable lenses. Has this lens scroller, you can adjust lens by here. It's a elastic band for your head, and it is adjustable. Has a cushion for your head, back side of your head. Here is the cushion for your head, and here is the nozzle space, and you can adjust the lens. And here is some space for your eyeglasses. You can open it by here, and you can use 3.5 inches to 6 inches mobile in the VR box. And after plug in the mobile, you can open here for camera. By camera you can see virtual world. Here is the microfiber cloth for cleaning lenses. You can clean lens easily by it. Here is some sticker for protect your power button to adjust your mobile in it, and protect your power button and volume button from clicks. Here is some user manual, you can read. Here is some information about the VR box, and it's another user manual. Here is some instruction. You have to download the app. I will link in description below app for VR playing. It will play you video in left and right side. Here is some instructions. You can enjoy here. You can enjoy in journeys, visitings, picnics, etc. 5 and 6, 3.5 to 6 inches mobile for support. Here is the beer box gamepad for gaming and playing your video in the beer box. Here is the gamepad. It's looking very nice with ABS plastic material. And here is the gamepad manual. And the gamepad user manual, you will read this. And the gamepad need two AAA batteries, AAA batteries, and you plug in the battery and push the power button. Push the power button like me. Here push the power button. Here it is power on. A blue LED indicator shows the power on. You can convert iOS or Android. It's the click button, press button or click button. Here's the back button. It's the joystick for gaming and mouse. And here's some game button. You can gaming, playing video in the beer box by this. And here's the beer box. It's a very good gadget you can buy without any doubt or confusion.